camera tricks were used in this commercial. Just BioLink VCO 5-minute hot oil for intense moisture, now also in shampoo. Mula sa Splash.
Ang susunod na programa ay rated PG. Ito ay nangangailangan ng patnubay at gabay ng magulang para sa mga batang manunood.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
External computer memory is technically any storage device that you can connect to your computer to record data. There are several kinds of such devices, such as an external hard drive sits outside the main computer tower in its own enclosure. This portable encasement is slightly larger than the hard drive itself, and it sometimes contains a cooling fan. The external hard drive is connected to the computer via an interface cable, which allows the external hard drive to communicate with the computer so that data can be passed back and forth.
An electronic flash memory storage disk, commonly used in consumer electronic devices such as digital cameras, MP3 players, mobile phones, and other small portable devices. Types of memory cards include PCMCIA, compact flash, SD card, mini SD, XD picture card, and other memory cards are usually read by connecting the device containing the card to your computer or by using USB card reader. Go.
A USB drive, also known as a flash drive or keychain drive, is a plug-and-play portable storage device that uses flash memory and is lightweight enough to attach to a keychain. A USB drive can be used in place of a floppy disk